Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into SDS with an account that has deletion rights. This matters because permissions prevent accidental data loss. Once signed in, use the search box. Enter the student ID or full name and apply filters like grade or active status to narrow results. You open the student profile and scan enrollment, attendance, and notes to ensure you have the correct record. Doing this first reduces the risk of removing the wrong student. Now verify linked records and prepare for deletion. This step prevents orphan data. You review enrollments, transcripts, guardian contacts, and any discipline logs. Make a quick export or archive to CSV or PDF so you retain a backup. Next, flag dependent records within SDS and notify the registrar or appropriate admin so they can confirm or reassign connections. By preparing proactively, you preserve auditability and make rollback possible. Finally, perform the deletion in SDS. Choose the delete or remove action on the profile and read the prompt fully. These confirmations exist to stop mistakes. You may be asked to type the student ID or check a confirmation box. Do that deliberately, then submit. Make sure to run a quick search afterward to confirm the record is gone. If the system blocks deletion, check permissions and unresolved linked records. Resolving links or contacting support usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.